Hey, family. It is your girl, Chef Evelyn here, and welcome to the video. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family. I'm so excited that you're here. Shout out to whoever sent you, whether it was the Facebook algorithm, the YouTube algorithm, your homegirl, your homeboy. I don't know. Welcome if it's your first time here. And if you have been here before, if you have been rocking with your girl for a minute, welcome back. We in here in this new year's thing. Okay, I'm gonna be saying Happy New Year, Happy New Decade all month. So just mentally prepare yourself for that, okay? Listen, I want to talk to you about something that kind of got to me last year. Now, everybody else is about to do these decade in review videos and year in review videos. And listen, I may even hop on the bandwagon on another channel. However, I want to come to you with one of the most inappropriate comments I got in all of 2019. Now, I got a couple of inappropriate comments this year. I had people trying to argue me in my DMs when I was like, I'm saying you're going to either pay a farmer or you're going to pay at a pharmacy. I had people argue me down about that. And I had time that day. I had people assuming that your girl was married. I was like, where is it? In my DMs randomly, just like I was, on Instagram shopping in the grocery store and somebody was like, oh, your husband is a lucky man. When have you seen a husband? Like if you've seen, where is he? Let me know. Anyway, even when I was babysitting my good friend's son, I had people like, congratulations on your baby. I'm like, when did I have a baby? Because I don't have a husband. And how did I pop out? Because he was 6 months at the time I was babysitting. I was like, when did I pop out this giant 6-month-old baby? Like, I've had some very inappropriate comments. But let me tell you, the one that takes the cake, and I wasn't offended by this comment, but it's the context in which the words were put together in the comment, because I never thought that these words would be grouped together in one phrase, okay? And I couldn't help but be like, I got to do a video about it. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've seen it. It's in my client love highlight, for those of you that either have worked with me on a professional standpoint as far as your culinary business, or for those of you who have like, what's up with Evelyn in these cooking classes and things like that. It's in there, right? And I'm going to put it up on the screen, but basically the comment said that I make the Daniel fast look sexy. Now, if you don't know what the Daniel fast is, let me give you a little background. So in the Bible, there's this character named Daniel, and he basically is like, I'm not about to get with the program that y'all on. And as a matter of fact, to prove my point, I'm about to go on this fast, and he gives up all these different things, right, in his diet. So he goes on basically like a really strict vegan diet. And so every year, my church at the beginning of the year, we do a 21-day Daniel fast. A lot of churches do this, right? I have videos talking about preparing for a Daniel fast, how to come off of a fast. And so we're not just doing it for the physical health benefits, but we're also doing it for some spiritual reasons. There's lots of videos about fasting. I digress. So as you can see, from a spiritual standpoint, for somebody to say that I make the Daniel fast look sexy, I was like, wait, excuse me, sexy? Okay, listen, I mean, and then I thought about what I was sharing and what I was posting. And I was like, yeah, when people think about healthy eating or think about being vegan temporarily or giving up something temporarily, they're thinking they're just going to be eating salad after salad after salad, and it's just going to be bland, or they're just going to be eating a whole bunch of brown rice. And I realized that when I be cooking, I be switching it up. You know what I'm saying? And so I was like, it really was a compliment, but I will say it's probably the most memorable comment I've gotten over the years. And I have gotten some comments that were a little like, trollish and all that kind of stuff, but I don't even remember those because I don't be paying them people no mind. But this comment, it took me out because I was like, fasting and sexy in the same sentence, I never thought I would see. And so, but that just proves the point. Listen, your girl, I know how to make healthy food fun. Like, that enrollment for the Fun Food Academy is open. You can go to funfoodacademy.com. If you want to find out my secret on how I make fasting sexy, then I'm going to be talking about that inside of the academy. It's basically how I make healthy food fun. Maybe I should have named it the Sexy Food Academy. Because I do think food is delicious, and food can be used to anyway, let me get back to the point. The point is, if you want to learn that yes, healthy food can be delicious, it can be beautiful, it can be nutritious, all things, and yes, according to them, even sexy, then I invite you to come check it out at funfoodacademy.com. Enrollment is open. The investment is easy. Okay. And I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited to share with you my secrets to get you a process in place to get you to a healthy relationship with food. Like, people was out here about to give up. She said she was about to give up because she was just eating the same thing over and over again. I'm like, girl, there are so many things. Like, as I'm filming this video right now, I'm gearing up for my 2020 Daniel fast, and I'm like hype about what I'm going to be eating. And I remember thinking about fasting or being vegan for X amount of time as oh, let me just do it to be obedient. And now I'm like, listen, this is about to be fire. Okay, it's about to be amazing. Not amazing, but amazing. Okay, so anyway, that's it. That's all we got for today's video. That's the most inappropriate comment that I've ever gotten. I was like, I don't really know how to feel about that, but I'm gonna take it. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully I can continue to make healthy food sexy. And yeah, y'all, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.